All right, so this thing feels a little different from PlayStation controller because you got this large centerpiece, but I like the feedback. It does have feedback on it, just like the other controller. The buttons are the same. Your volume controls are located on the top. So you got your minus, your plus, your minus, your mic, and then you got your actual connections here. You got your power button here. You got your speakers on the top. Because speakers are right there. If you guys can see it, they're little indentations here. But battery wise, it's gonna last you for a couple, maybe an hour or two, or depends on your gameplay, right? But look how thin it is. It's a little thick on the back, but the screen itself, it's a little thin. The joysticks are a little smaller than the actual PlayStation controller. They feel a little smaller for me, to be honest with you. Keypads are the same. The movement's a little more sensitive here, but you could tone that down.